Hey, it's KJ, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you around the Kids Club here on the Disney Dream. So without further ado, let's go take a look. So here is where you enter into the Kids Club, and Andy's room is going to be right around the right over there. We're here in Andy's room. Here's Mr. Potato Head. We've got the toy chest, ABC Roundup. Here looks like a walkie-talkie. We've got this clipboard here. Oh look, there's Rex. Here we have Rex. Over here, oh, he's in jail. You can see his tail over there. Another toy box. The TV for the Oceaneer Club. We've got the dresser over here. We got a poster for Woody. Another toy box, and then here's RC. You also have a giant slinky dog here, and a baby on the floor. And it says toys on the toy box right here. And we've got ham, so lots of really cool picture opportunities in here. Over here we've got Buzz. I don't know what's over here, I guess we'll find out. What's in here? Backstage. Okay. Then it looks like we've got a Star Wars room over here. So you come in, oh, they have restrooms in here as well. Oh, okay, so let's see. I don't know where I'm going, you guys. We'll walk this way. We have another hand washing station. Looks like Peter Pan, the men's room over here. We've got a place you can hang out. And we've got lots of tables and chairs down this way. We're gonna spin around though and check out the Star Wars area. So walking this way, and I say we because the baby's coming with me. So here is the Star Wars area. So we've got this section over here with a little table. Here you can fly the ship if you'd like. We've got R2-D2 over here. Here's another table. And this way, looks like you can, command your own ship. And look, this looks like it's sort of Pixie Hollow. I think that's what it's supposed to be. So here, the ceiling is a little bit lower. Like, I can touch it. That's how low it is. Looks like we got some games and things over here so the kids can do different crafts. We've got this little TV over here. I'm not gonna be able to swing around that way with the carriage, but there's little places that you can hang out here and draw and color. We've got other sections over here. Here you go over here. Here's another TV screen. And I guess this is like an arts and crafts type of area. And again, here's the Star Wars area. Guys, my mini ears are touching the top. So as we walk out of here we go. Down this way. This is backstage, by the way, and this is like the main hub right here. And Andy's room is over there where we just came in. We've got the Disney Infinity area over here. So here we've got Vanellope, and we've got Black Panther, Hulk. Not sure who that is. So we've got different characters here. Here we've got Baymax, we've got Joy, Mike Wazowski, Buzz, and Tink over there. And then over here, oh, look at this. How cool is that? We've got Elsa, we've got Mickey, we've got Rocket Raccoon up there. Here's Mickey and Minnie on the Dream, or just on a Disney cruise ship. Chip and Dale, we've got Ahsoka, and more of the characters down here. I guess the kids can play. Let's see, if I touch the screen, does it do anything? No. Or does it? Nope, it doesn't do anything. Captain America, Hulk, Iron Man. Discover the endless possibilities in the Disney Infinity Toy Box. Create new adventures as big as your imagination. Play with your favorite Marvel, Star Wars, Disney, and Disney Pixar characters. And here we are back in the main hub. Who's that, buddy?
The scenes here seem to be right from the ride Star Tours in Disney World. We had a speeder, a pod racing scene, and now we had the Battle of Hoth.
So we came back this way, and we're gonna walk through to the other side because we asked the cast member and they said there is something this way, so let's go. Oh, what's over here? So when you come down this way, there's little tables and chairs. We've got some maps this way. We've got some oars over here. Here are the maps. And as we walk down this way, just notice the little stools they have here. We've got a pirate ship, some pirate ship or pirate accessories here. This guy is from Pirates of the Caribbean. Then this way, over here, we have the craft studio. So it looks like there's different things you can color on. We've got Mickey here. It looks like someone drew from Beauty and the Beast. So it looks like when you come to the kids club, here is where you could do some arts and crafts. Like I said, here is someone welcome cruisers, and here you can color on the paper, which is neat. Coming around this way, they have a floor here where you can play a game. They were just playing it before. Over here, it's like a little stage area with that map again. And as we come down this way, we've got the Playmation area. Not sure what this is. We've got Playmation, so there's different figurines here on the wall. It says Playmation, Disney Cruise Line. And here's the other entrance to the kids club. And then over here we've got another map. You can notice the little details on the floor here. And then up here we've got the media lounge. So I wonder if this is where maybe you can watch a movie or something. We only have 2 chairs and a stool here, so not sure what goes on over here. Anything? No artwork on the walls. I thought maybe there'd be some artwork, but this room's pretty bare. You come over this way and we have the explorer's room. And so it looks like over here you can sail a ship. You can press the different buttons. Okay, press the buttons, buddy. So you can press the different buttons. You want to steer the ship? Yeah. Okay. So here you can steer a ship. So my 2-year-old's not really gonna be able to do much, but oh look, it's Nemo. Look, buddy. So you can go like this. Over here, I don't know what this does. If it makes that like moves the ship. Good job, buddy. That's the explorer's room, and then the last room over here is the animator studio. So I guess maybe you can trace things, it looks like. But how cool is this? We've got Donald's date here. We've got all of these figures up here. Oh, look at Donald. Oh, I thought he had blonde hair. It looks, oh, does he have blonde hair? Oh, it's just a hat. I don't know who this is. Is that like the old Big Bad Wolf or something? Let me know in the comments down below if you know who that is. We've got Pete. We've got, I think, is that the crow from Dumbo? And then I'm not sure who this guy is here. Let me know in the comments down below if you do know. And here's Sorcerer Mickey over there. We've got more characters. We've got Zurg, and we've got Buzz and Jessie. And here it looks like almost like claymation figures. Over here, you can see Ariel and Snow White and Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, and Alice from Alice in Wonderland. We've got some drawings of Pluto over here and Mickey. Pretty cool. Here we've got, oh, I know this guy. Why can't I think of where he's from? Let me know in the comments down below. Here we've got Sorcerer Mickey and Donald, Goofy, Donald. Oh, we've got the 7 Dwarfs up here. I hear some Miley Cyrus in the background. Over here we've got myself in the reflection. We've got Captain Hook. Over here we've got some Marvel characters. Oh, we've even got Wolverine over here. Oh, we've got Daredevil, Thor. Cool. Oh, and here are some like the games you can play. Oh, it says dance party over there. So you can dance. Kind of cool. Oh, that's my family. Thank you so much for coming on this tour of the Oceaneers Club, the Kids Club. If you guys liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and leave me a little happy face emoji if you made it to the end of this video. With that, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.